So I'm here in Baigad. Eh, Is this Baigad, Ming? Ming, is this Baigad or not?
Balitbit.
Balidbit. This place called the Bridge of Balidbit. As you can see, it's very nice place because they renovate this place. They renovate this place for 2 years, and look at this face. They renovated this face for almost 10 years. It's very hard to renovate. Kid. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, Ming. Hmm? This is my love of my life. See? Oh my god. Iba naman na yung mukhaan, Ming. He's very pag na, he's very kind, very cute. See? He's smiling. No, dili ako. Okay. He's already mad at me because I'm always making fun of him. But just want to be sweet.